Hi, my name is Julianna Astrid from Instagram and you're watching YouTube. What is up, you guys? It is me, Juliana. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. Today I'm here with a very highly requested video, which is just my everyday makeup routine. I don't know why it's highly requested. I feel like it's pretty basic, but I'm here to share with you guys. It's almost Valentine's Day, which is why I decided to go with like an all pink theme. I don't want to talk very much longer in this intro, so I'm gonna get right to the video. If you guys are interested on how I get this look every day, stay tuned. So as you guys can see, I did my brows off camera just because filming them can get a little bit tricky, especially being up close. But if you guys want a brow tutorial, I'll be sure to film that for you guys. Comment down below. The first thing I'll be putting on my face is this Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer by Pure Lise. I've been using it for over a year now. I just really like how light it is and how smoothly it goes on to my skin. So I'm going to just rub it all over. After I moisturize, I kind of do like a mini concoction on my face. I mix the Pretty Fresh Hydrating Primer and the Do You by Too Faced Luminous Face Primer. This is very shimmery and this is not, so I like a little bit of shimmer, so I'll just normally do like one squirt of each and kind of mix it with my finger and just spread it across my face. I like this just because I feel like it smooths out my skin and adds a little bit of a glow, and they both smell pretty good. So after we have primed our face, I'm going to go in with foundation. I'm going to be using the Insta Bake foundation by Beauty Bakery. I love this foundation so much. It's such a good full coverage foundation. It's really nice and smooth, and so I'm just gonna go in and apply that. I think I just put too much on this, but it's okay. When I'm done with my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my under eye. The Insta Bake Concealer 3-in-1. Before that creases, I'm going to use the Flower by Beauty Bakery, Better Not Bitter, and set my under eye. Then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and brush it all off, brush the excess actually to mattify my face. Once I'm done brushing off all the powder, I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. This is a Francesca Tulot, I hope I'm saying that right, Ofra palette. I'm gonna be using the lighter of the two shades. As you can see, I'm obsessed and hit pan a long time ago. I'm going to just be bronzing up my face. I'm totally not a professional and have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to, honestly, makeup in general, so don't roast me. I just kind of pretend like I know what I'm doing. Once I've bronzed up my face, I'm gonna go in and kind of sharpen it up. I don't know, honestly. I don't know anything. I've seen people do this. I think it helps. I don't really know, and I don't even know how to do it right. So just pretend like I'm doing this right. And this is what the mois call baking. So while we wait for this, I think we should just like put some blush or something. I don't know. Let's do it. By the way, how cute are these brushes from Coastal Scents? Like, back to business. Oh. I'm still getting used to this whole sharing what I'm using type thing. Go. My camera ran out of storage mid me filming, so if it looks different, sorry. Where the heck were we? For blush, we'll be using the Morphe Pop of Color Blush Trio. And this, you guys, is my favorite blush almost ever. I'll be using the shade Unapologetic, which is very like me. I don't even think this is a blush brush. I'm gonna just, you know, put it on there. I don't know if it's doing anything. Kinda. Next, we're just going to blow away all of the powder that I left completely too long. We have brushed off the powder and our face is basically done. After I'm done like with my face makeup, especially brushing off all of the powder, I like to brush my brows with this ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. I just feel like it helps my brows like stay in place. It looks the same. I personally don't feel like I can pull off eyeshadow. I think it looks horrendous on me. So I'm just gonna take translucent powder and go over my eyelids just so I can keep them matte all day, baby. Let's move on to lashes because that's really what's important here. So today we'll be using my lashes. We'll be using Lashes by Jujubee, as I stated before, in style Juju. These are my absolute favorite pair, hence this is my husband, everyone. Thank you. We will be using Lashes by Jujubee, as stated before, in style Juju. These are my absolute favorite pairs. I wear them every single day. I like to trim a little bit of each side just because my eyes are a little bit smaller and my eyes sometimes water, so I feel like when they water it doesn't affect the lashes like sliding off or anything. I've applied my lashes and all we have to do is add a lip and then we're done. So I'm going to be taking LA Lady by ColourPop. This is a more red tone lipstick, but I still love it for every day. It's very similar to Persistence by MAC, which they discontinued, and I'm very sad about it. Anyway, I'm just going to use this and then we'll be done. That was the end of my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was easy to follow along with. If you guys have any makeup product suggestions, comment down below. I'm totally down to try new products. Thank you for watching and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want an eyebrow tutorial, comment that also down below. Thank you guys again and I love you. Have an amazing day.